Hello everybody, it is February 16th, 2020, and I'm out at the little test tank this morning. We got a decent day today. It's about 34 degrees right now. It's been really cold, but warmed up a little bit and decided to put some water in the test tank today and run a motor. I've got here my 1956 Evinrude Fastwin electric. This one happens to be a Canadian motor. This one's made in Peterborough, Canada. I bought this one must be about 2 years ago from a nice guy named Tim in Fort Gratiot, Michigan. Same guy I got the 58 Evinrude 18 from. You may have seen the video on earlier. This one was kind of a mess. Cosmetically it's good, mechanically it's good, but it had been fooled around with, and it had all kinds of strange things going on. Anyway, I went through it. I put new points, condensers, plugs, plug wires, rebuilt the carb with an OEM kit, new fuel lines, new air line, new fuel filter bowl that was missing, new gasket which was also missing, cleaned the fuel filter, put a new water pump impeller in it, all new gear case seals, drive shaft, prop shaft, and shift rod O-ring, new gear oil, put new battery cables on it. The old battery cables were in terrible shape. I had to replace the gears in the tiller. Both of the brass ball gears were broken. I had to replace both of those. I've got the test wheel on this today so I can run it in the tank, and I've got it hooked up to my battery box so I can use the electric start. So let's fire this thing up and see how it does. It was a warm start. I had it running a little bit ago. Well, all right. Start it back up again. Give it a little more throttle this time. I think it's choking on its own fumes a little bit. I'm going to plug the fan in here. This one seems to have turned out really nice. I'm looking forward to getting this one on the boat next season. We'll take it for a ride on the lake and see how it does then. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.